Hi everyone, welcome to page 4. Okay, the first problem 10a says solve for y and it starts with a 5x. So I need to, I think what I will do here is I will first add, I don't know if you can put it there. Oops, that doesn't work right. Negative 1 in front of that y, so it says negative 1y. And remember, I want to keep y all by itself. So the term that is bothering the y on the right-hand side is the 3. The only way to move it to the other side will be to subtract it. So I'm going to subtract 3 to both sides. And then you should see that you have a 0 pair that you can cancel out, the 3 and the negative 3. I'm going to cancel that out. I'm going to slide the 3 terms that I have down. I'm going to slide all 3 of these terms down. So then I would have negative 1y, and then I would have 5x minus 3. Okay, so I don't want negative 1y, I want positive 1y. So what would I divide all 3 of my terms by? You got it. All 3 of these terms we're going to divide by negative 1. So I'm going to have to, I'll need a little space. Divide that by negative 1, divide this by negative 1, divide this by negative 1. So my remaining answer will be negative 5x. 2 negatives make a positive, positive 3 equals 2 negatives makes a positive, positive y. You can just change that around. Negative 5x plus 3. Okay, so now that you have your equation, you're going to slide your way down. And we're going to pick any 3 points that you would like. I like to do easy points. I'm going to pick 3 values for x. I'm just going to pick 0, 1, and 2. And I'm going to substitute them into my equation that I just got. So if I do the first one, negative 5 times 0 plus 3 gives me 0 plus 3, which is 3. So 3 goes into my first spot. Okay, I'm going to erase all of this so I can substitute in the next number. So the next number I'm going to substitute in is 1. So now I'm going to do negative 5 times 1, which is negative 5, plus 3. When you have different signs you subtract, you take the sign of the larger number. 5 is larger and it's negative, so I will get negative 2. Okay, put that in. I'm going to go back and now erase my work. And I will substitute in the next number, which will be 2. Negative 5 times 2 is negative 10. Negative 10 plus 3 is negative 7. I'm going to graph those 3 points. So 0, 3 is right about there. 1, negative 2, right there. And 2, negative 7 is right there. If I had a ruler, I would connect them. Ooh. You know what I mean, right? Okay, there we go. Oh, what am I doing? All right, given this picture that we have, or you can even just say given your equation. It's probably easier to do with your equation. Remember, your equation was y equals negative 5x plus 3. The slope would be negative 5. Or you could say negative 5 over 1. Your y-intercept is 3. So that's in the form y equals mx plus b, where b is your y-intercept and m is your slope. And that is it for this page.